I think they are not ready. Guys, one more time, make it louder your voice. Okay, are you ready to watch a magic show? Yes! Guys, hip hip! Madam, sit down. So guys, after the magic show, later we will continue to our game, so you need to participate because later the birthday celebrant, Aaron, and the parents, they will give a special prize. They will give an iPhone 15 for the winner. So adults can join also. Sir, where are you going? iPhone 15 charger. Only the charger, guys, without mobile. Madam, can you please go back to your seat? Guys, today we have a magic words. When I say the magic words, everybody say happy birthday, Aaron. Okay? Say the magic words. They are sleeping. Okay. One more time, louder. Okay, everybody clap your hands. Now we will start our magic show. I give you the cut, first we need to brush your hair. Okay? This one. Okay. Before I give you the cut, all you have to do is close your eyes. Madam, sit down. Okay. Little close your eyes. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. And close your nose. Okay, close your nose. This one. Sir, sit down. Okay, little open your eyes. Are you sure you want to see a cat?
Yes.
Guys, before I give him the cut first, I will teach him how to make magic. Okay, now I have here a magic wand. Everybody say magic wand. Okay, before I give you the cut first, I will teach you how to do some magic. Now I have here a magic wand. Okay, this one. Okay, so all you have to do is you will like this, you will do again. 1, 2, and 3, and the cat appear in front of you. What color you want? What color you want the cat?
Ginger.
Okay? Ginger. What does one? This one is straight, not color. What color? White. Okay, very white, like ginger. Okay. Okay, before I give you the cat, all you have to do is you will like this. 1, 2, and 3, and the white cat appear in front of you. Okay, please, but be careful. My magic wand, this one is very sensitive and expensive. Don't break it, okay? Okay, you will not break my magic wand. Okay, now. This one, okay? Now. What happened? It's why you broke my magic. I told you be careful because this one is very sensitive and expensive. Guys, you know how much this one? 1 dirham. Madam, sit down. Okay, one more time because you are a big boy. I will give you one more chance. Okay, guys, one more. Everybody say abracadabra. And this one. Okay, Philip, I will give you one chance. I told you only magician can use this one, but today you will become a magician. One more try. 1, 2, and 3. And the cat appear in front of you. This time, be careful. Don't break it, okay? Okay, clap your hands here, guys. It will not break the magic one, okay? Now, I have here... What happened again? No, I'm just joking. Of course, this is a fake magic one. We will not use this one, okay? Now, my next magic, this one. Guys, everybody, okay, kids and parents, my next magic, this magic is just for fun only. Everybody clap your hands to him, okay? Play the music, Mr. DJ. Making sure to your answer, okay? Are you a brave boy? Louder, okay? Don't worry, okay? One more. Are you a brave boy?
Yes.
You want to see a real snake?
No.
One more. Don't worry, the snake, he's my friend, he will not bite you. Are you a brave boy?
Yes.
You want to see a real snake? Yes. Okay, now I have here Guys, stay in your place, don't move. Okay, Mr. DJ? Are you sure? Oh, are you a playboy? Do you want to see a real snake? Yes. Okay. Don't worry, he will not bite you. Okay, one more try. Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Open, open. There's a snake in. Guys, wait. Because this one is very dangerous magic. Now I need adults. I need parents. Any volunteer top parents to open this one? I need woman. Ma'am, can you come here? Yes. Come here. Later, sir. Okay. Ma'am, come here. Okay, ma'am, what is your name? Sharena, are you a pretty snake? No, she's a very, very brave woman. Ma'am, there's a snake inside, okay? But don't worry, the snake is my friend. He will not bite you. Relax, madam, okay? Guys, stay in your place. Don't move. Everybody say snake! Louder! Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Open, madam.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe.
Now, my next magic is where is the parents of the birthday celebrant? Ma'am, can you come here? Everybody clap your hands to the parents of the birthday. Ma'am, come here. And where is daddy? Sir, can you come here also? I will take something here, okay? Guys, everybody clap your hands to the parents of the birthday celebrant. Parents of Ira, okay? Pause down the six. Guys, once again, everybody clap your hands to the birthday celebrant together with his parents. Ma'am, sir, before we start this magic, let me ask you something. Ma'am, you first. Ma'am, what is your name? Again? Shruti. Shruti. Everybody clap your hands to Ma'am Shruti. Ma'am Shruti. Sir, your name? Raju. Raju. Everybody clap your hands to Sir Raju. Ma'am Shruti, let me ask you something, okay? Please show your answer in front of your guests, in front of your visitors. Ma'am Shruti, this time make sure to your answer, okay? This time, let me ask you something. Do you believe in magic, yes or no? Yes or no? Coming from your heart, ma'am. No problem. Do you believe in magic, yes or no? Ma'am, do you believe in magic, yes or no? Are you sure? Ma'am, go back to your seat. Ma'am, it's okay, madam. No. Sir. Yes, okay. Now, sir, do you believe in magic, yes or no? I believe in tricks. Tricks. Magic tricks. Yeah, I believe in magic tricks. Okay, Ma'am Shruti, this time, let's try the magic to you, okay? Ma'am Shruti, this time, do you believe I can read your mind? Inside your mind, this time, do you believe I can read it? Take your time, ma'am. We will wait until. It's okay, madam. Do you believe I can read your inside your mind right now in front of them? This is the first time we met, ma'am, right? Do you believe I can read your mind, yes or no?
Maybe.
Let's try it, okay? Ma'am, in front of them, this is the first time we met, right? Ma'am, in front of them. Now, in your mind, just think two shapes in your mind. Think two shapes like star, oblong, and then the one shape, put it inside. Think two shapes in your mind, the one shape, put it inside. Okay, don't say it, your imagination only, okay? Shapes like star, oblong, like that, okay? Think two shapes, the one shape, put it inside. Don't say it, sir. Now, this time, we need to do like this. Guys, everybody, what is this? A card. Sir, can you please shuffle the card? Sir, all you have to do is you will pick one card, do not show to me, show it to them. But check the card if this is ordinary card. It's different cards, sir, right? Ordinary cards. So now, sir, before we do this one, let me shuffle the card also. Guys, everybody watch this one, okay? This card is different cards, okay? Sir, different cards, okay? So, sir, all you have to do is you will pick one card, do not show to me, show it to them, okay? But before that, let me show it to you, sir. This ordinary card, right? Yes. Okay, so all you have to do is you will pick one card and show it. But before that, let me shuffle the card like this. So when I do like that, say stop, this is short card. Anywhere. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Say stop. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay, so this card, please. Okay, all you have to do is you remember this card. Show it to madam. Show it to madam. And sir, show it to them. Guys, all you have to do is you need to remember his card. Remember his card. Okay? Now, sir. Guys, this is the card, okay? Look here. This one. Okay, now. Ma'am Shruti, now you are thinking 2 shapes, right? Let me guess what shapes you are thinking, okay? Just tell to them if yes or no, okay? This time, think 2 shapes, the 1 shape, put it inside, okay? This time, think the 2 shapes in your mind. Don't say it, okay? Don't say it, okay? Okay, ma'am. The 1 shapes you are thinking in your mind is... Think the 2 shapes, ma'am. The 1 shape you are thinking is... Circle. Yes or no? Yes. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands, guys. I told you this is a prediction magic, okay? Ma'am, I told you this is the first time we met, right? Let's try the magic to you, okay? Now, circle. Are you sure? Okay, now this time, think the second shapes. Don't say it. Okay, the first one is circle, okay? Okay, the other one is... Just think the shapes. Okay, the other one is circle. The other one is... Rectangle? No. Ma'am, rectangle? No, sorry na. Okay, the next one is... Triangle. Yes or no?
No.
Are you sure? Let's try again. Now, wait. Sir, this time you remember your card, right? I told you this is a prediction magic, so before we start, I know already what card you will choose, sir, and this is your card. Guys, everybody remember his card? Thank you very much. You remember his card? Yes, guys, everybody count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Guys, everybody clap your hands. This is his card. Thank you very much, and that's the magic for... No? Ma'am, this is his... Sir. No? Sir, this is your card. Say yes, please. No. Of course, I know this is not his card. Now, ma'am, this is your shapes. You're thinking, ma'am, this is your shapes. You're thinking? Yes. Okay, everybody clap your hands. Okay. Now, ma'am. Sir. Now, for the first time in front of them, tell me what is your card.
Shall I read it?
Yes.
That's my wife, Queen.
Queen! Wow, madam. Queen and king. Wow, okay. Queen of?
I didn't remember the...
So you don't know your... Queen, guys, Queen of? Diamond. Okay, Queen of Diamond. Okay, now sir, just hold the card like this. Okay, play the music, Mr. Tigil. Okay guys, this is not the Queen of Diamond, right? Now, the magic will happen this time. Okay, guys, now my next magic This magic is very dangerous magic. Do not try this at your home. Okay, guys, what color is this? Guys, this red color I will put inside my nose, no. My mouth. Not in my nose, okay? Do not try this at your home, okay? I will put inside my mouth. Okay, play the music, Mr. Dindin.
No!